Margaret Chen had lived in Willowbrook Heights for 15 years, quietly tending her garden and paying her HOA dues without complaint. But when the new HOA board decided her deceased husband's memorial bench violated aesthetic guidelines, everything changed. The bench sat beneath an old oak tree, a simple wooden seat where Margaret found peace each morning with her tea. The HOA claimed it was unauthorized furniture and demanded its immediate removal, threatening daily fines of $500. Margaret's modest pension couldn't handle such penalties, but she refused to remove her husband David's memory. The bench bore a small brass plate. In loving memory of David Chen, who found joy in simple moments. Attorney Richard Blackstone represented the HOA with his usual arrogance. Known for his expensive suits and ruthless tactics, he'd made a career of intimidating homeowners into submission. As he strutted into the courtroom that Tuesday morning, he expected another easy victory. Judge Patricia Williams had presided over countless HOA disputes, but something about this case troubled her. She'd reviewed the evidence carefully, photos of the modest bench, the HOA's increasingly aggressive letters, and Margaret's heartfelt response explaining the bench's significance. When Blackstone began his presentation, his condescending tone filled the courtroom. "Your Honor, rules exist for everyone. Mrs. Chen cannot simply ignore our community standards because of her personal feelings." He dismissed Margaret's emotional attachment as irrelevant sentimentality and demanded immediate compliance plus $15,000 in accumulated fines. Judge Williams listened silently, her expression unreadable. When Blackstone finished his theatrical performance, she leaned back in her chair. "Mr. Blackstone," she said, a slight smile crossing her face, "I've reviewed your HOA's governing documents very thoroughly." The attorney straightened, confident in his victory. "Tell me," the judge continued, "did your client properly notify residents before amending the rules about memorial items?" Blackstone's confidence wavered. "Your Honor, the existing aesthetic guidelines clearly—" "That's not what I asked." Judge Williams's smile widened. "The answer is no, they didn't. In fact, your HOA violated state notification requirements, making their new restrictions legally invalid." The courtroom fell silent. Blackstone's face reddened as he realized his mistake. "Furthermore," Judge Williams continued, "your client's harassment campaign against Mrs. Chen appears to violate our state's anti-bullying statutes." She nodded toward the bailiffs. "Officers, please escort Mr. Blackstone outside while I explain proper legal procedure to his client." As the stunned attorney was led away, Margaret wiped away tears of relief. Her husband's memory was safe,